Frost clings to the window pane. Bare branches trace the rain. I've been counting gray days since the leaves fell down. My coat still thick, my boots still caked in town. The cafe's fire dies an hour earlier now. I stir my tea and watch the cold wind bow. I keep a jar of dried lavender on the sill. Wait for the first bud that the frost will kill. Just a hint of green, just a single sign that the dark won't hold the world this time. I'm waiting for spring, waiting for the thaw, waiting for the birds to sing through the raw, waiting for the grass to push through the snow, waiting for the sun to melt the cold I know. I found a crumpled daffodil bulb in the shed, dusted off the dirt, laid it where the light could spread. My neighbor's cat still curls by the heater grate. I leave a bowl of milk, hope it's not too late. I taped a drawing of a sunflower to my door. Talk to the moon about what I'm waiting for. Just a breeze that smells like wet earth and clover. Just a reason to let my heavy shoulders over. I'm waiting for spring, waiting for the bloom, waiting for the sky to shake off the gloom, waiting for the bees to buzz in the clover, waiting for the day I don't need my cover. Last night I heard a sparrow's tentative call. Saw a single crocus pushing through the wall. Maybe the dark's just a blanket to keep us warm, till the light comes back to repaint the dawn. I'm waiting for spring, it's just around the bend, waiting for the world to wake up again, waiting for the rain to bring the green, waiting for the hope I haven't seen. The frost is thin, the air feels new, spring's coming.